Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It is very necessary for everybody to take the vaccines, because without the vaccines, no company is allowing you to join. And with so many efforts put in by everyone, Gsia, the government has finally prioritized seafarers, and also the duration is reduced, which is a great achievement and it will benefit for the seafarers. Also, the second topic is criminalization of seafarers. This is one topic which has never been touched for a seafarer. They are like treated worse than criminals, even murderers. There was a photo in one of the newspaper where a captain of the ship was, the way he was treated and a murderer was treated in one of the countries.
In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, since January 2020, seafarers found themselves both on the front line of the global response and subject to difficult working conditions surrounding uncertainties and difficulties around port access, resupply, crew changeovers, repatriation, etc. In light of this, the 2020 Day of the Seafarers campaign focuses message around urging government to recognize seafarers as key workers and ease travel restrictions for them to facilitate crew changes. The 2021 Day of the Seafarer campaign continues to encourage governments to support seafarers amid the pandemic, but also expands its message calling for a fair future for seafarers. Therefore, the focus of the campaign this year is fair future for seafarers.
They have done lots for the economy of Goa. Now it is time for the government to intervene and do their part to save the livelihood of these people who have been instrumental in keeping our economy well afloat.